Hello everyone, it's me again. I just wanted to show you all the progress I've made on my, well, first this is the cotton yarn I was talking about. And I think it was a $1.79 a skein. No. That's the Heirloom. Okay, well. They had this on sale. It's the vinyl, iron-on vinyl at Joann's for the Cricut. Stitch markers. I have some, but they don't clamp and they're a pain. Okay, so this is the Red Heart Unforgettable Heirloom. Oh, that is so pretty. 270 yards. Heirloom. It's a roving. It's a medium 4. Calls for a 6mm hook. That's pretty. I'm still having problems with my voice coming and going, and there's that. But this is the cotton. They're Big Twist cotton. It has 107 yards. This is the black onyx. I thought this would be good for like dishcloths and stuff like that. It's cotton. Lord, I cannot see that. It's a 4. But I'd have to have a magnifying glass to see what hook it required. And it is granite splash. I thought it was black onyx. So I got 3. Those are little bee skeins. And then corn. This is well, it calls it raindrop splash, but on their thing it called it cornflower or something. And then gray, because gray, black, and white, more gray and black are my favorite colors. This is pewter, but that's not what it called it online. And it seems like there's more in this one. I guess because it's not variegated, so there will be more in this one. Yeah, this is 144 yards. It feels better than most cottons, and these are 107 yards, so. But I've been made, some of the dishcloths that I've made are actually better than like store-bought. I mean, they hold up better. They're more scrubbing power and stuff. I've never tried their cotton. And then this is, oops, I've got all these little pieces because I have to put this together now. The one I made, and I have to sew the tails in, from that one lady's pattern. on one of those apps. I don't even remember which app it was, Stitch Fiddle or something. But, of course, here's the handle. Why do I call it handle? Strap. And then that will sew onto here. I don't know if you can see that. That will sew onto here. And it colors coordinate. And then the same over here. That will be like the sides of the bag. So I have the front done. That's the flap. This is the front. And then this is the back. And then I did the little, I had to go to a smaller yarn. Because these are going to be the little, of course I got tails, but the little back lights. I'll have to sew those on. And then for the front, I still have to make the little emblem here. It's just a circle with a VW in it. And then I had to go to a smaller yarn on this orange. I had to go to a smaller hook on this for the headlamps. And they'll get sewn down with a gray. So they'll be outlined in gray, and then it'll kind of, I think they're supposed to go more like here. And then the little lamps, the front lamps, will get sewn down with gray, I think. You won't be able to see it. It'll just kind of outline them. And then I'll have to sew all of the strap and make my little VW symbol here. Now, for the one that I'm wanting to make, let me check my thing. Yeah, okay. The one I'm wanting to make for an actual regular size bag. To do it on the grid, it makes it like the wheels look like blocks. So now I know why people do more of the front part, or you know, showing the front. I'm thinking of, I went ahead and just got some graph paper and drawing out my own and making the wheels, like making the whole thing separate. Like, of course the wheels would be bigger than that, but making them with a magic circle and just making the bust separate and appliquing it on to the bag, because that's the only thing I can figure. So I got some graph paper. I haven't started working on it yet. And then I got, obviously, pencils. But that is, and I'm working on the border for the real colorful Afghan. It's going to be more of like a little Latkin, because it's not real big. It's 5 across, 6 down. Several rows of the border. It's going to be like the cream, and then the different colors that I used incorporated, you know, in different rounds, and then cream in between. So I don't know what size it'll end up being, but it'll be more like a lap size. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I just wanted to show you all this. These make really good washcloths. Well, cotton does, or dishcloths. I haven't made any towels yet, but yeah. So you all have a good day, and I will see you all in the next video.